Today we're going to take you on a little ride with us and show you how to install the 93 to 97 Firebird LED headlights. As you can see on this stock headlight bucket, the headlight will not fit. You have to make a slight modification and cut these tabs off. This is a bucket that has been modified. As you can see, when you remove the tabs, the headlight has enough clearance to fit properly. And now we're going to show you how to do that. Here we are using a Dremel to remove the tabs on the back of the bucket. Once you have the bucket modified, install the headlight into the bucket and put the trim ring back on. This helps to hold the light in place. Be sure to put your screws back in. That's it. Ta-da! And now it's ready to be installed on your car. Remove the screws on your headlight trim and remove the trim piece. Use a hook tool to unhook the spring to relieve the tension from the headlights. You can find these at Lowe's or Home Depot. Plug in your headlight connector and route the wires through the opening in your core support. On the back of the bucket there are some pegs. Just be sure to line up those pegs and push the light into place. Once installed, use your hook tool again to reattach the spring. Put your screws back in and reinstall your trim piece. Ta-da! All right, let's test them out. Look at that. They are a nice, bright, cool white. Here's what they look like with the headlights off. All right, now we're going to take you on a little drive and test these babies out. Check out those LED taillights. These are a big improvement over the stock headlights. Here we go, going to test them out on the highway. This angle is from inside of the car, so this is what it would look like if you were driving. This is what it would look like if one were standing up in the T-tops filming. Kids, don't try this at home. Now we're going to take you on some back roads to show you what it looks like when there's little to no street lights. As you can see, they have good light output They really help to see on country back roads. And they are not too bright where they blind oncoming traffic. As you can see, the high beams are not on. That was just the low beams. Alright y'all, that is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, feel free to drop any questions or comments below. And drop some suggestions in the comments and let us know what other videos you'd like to see. And y'all have a great day.